5 Best Humidifiers. The item number 5 is 400 ml Lavender Ultrasonic Humidifier. Powerful USB humidifier moisturizes and refreshes the quality of air we breathe, giving us a healthy indoor environment. 400 ml transparent tank. This humidifier is convenient to see the water or dirt. Colorful desktop night light, 7-color cycle changing, choosing one you'd like. What's more, the mini landscape bottle beat your heart. The item number 4 is 460 ml USB humidifiers with LED night light. Brand name GJ. Cotton. Design. Certifications, CSA, RoHS, GS, CB. Missed output, gallon, Bez, 35 ml/L ±5 ml. Classification humidification. Function pureness type shape other. The item number 3 is 300 ml air humidifier essential oil diffuser. Brand name Babo. Operation method keyboard type. Noise: 36 dB. Shape classic columnar. Missed output, gallon, Bez, 30 ml/H. Installation tabletop, portable. Use household. Humidifying capacity, 380 ml/H. The item number 2 is USB Aroma Essential Oil Diffuser Ultrasonic. Brand name Babo. Model number KH41. Humidity control touch control. Installation mini. Shape cartoon. Operation method keyboard type. Noise: 36 dB. Missed output, gallon, Bez, 30 ml/H. The item number 1 is Essential Oils for Diffuser, Aromatherapy Oil Humidifier. Brand name Babo. Application: 3140 M2. Operation method keyboard type. Noise: 36 dB. Type cool mist impeller humidifier. Shape classic columnar. Humidifying capacity, 300 ml/H. Installation central. Timing function number. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.